Hello. Uh, Today I'm gonna try to install a door stopper that unglued itself. The adhesive tape on this side that was supposed to be glued uh, to the floor, for some reason it unglued itself. So what I had to do, very good, clean this side of the stopper. Okay, so again, sorry for the interruption. This side is very well clean. You can use any type of solvent you want. Just be careful that the paint will not be damaged. And then, very important, you need to use a thick, not a thin, double-sided adhesive tape. You see, this I think has maybe 1 millimeter, one and something. So then I will take this and apply the tape on this side. Try to apply it at the middle. Hopefully you can see, and try not to waste double adhesive tape, or waste if you would like. Okay, now use the scissors to cut around the stopper. I can do minor adjustments later, and then something like this. Okay, that's one, and another one here, right next to it. Yeah, it's not exactly near, but will do. And again the scissors. Now we will leave this yellow protection or orange in place, because now we need to see exactly how to install it. You see, the door will hit here, and I installed the double tape like this, because I didn't install it like this because it will unglue easier. This way, installed like this, when the force acts from this direction, the door will hit here and will push the stopper this direction, and you see that the two stripes of double adhesive tape, they are glued like this. Okay, we will install it here, the door stopper, so that we prevent this door from hitting the furniture like this. Good, then it will be glued there. Don't yet take off the yellow protective side, and first try to see what is the correct location. By the way, do not install it too close to the hinge, because it will unstick very easy. And second, try not to install it where the floor is connecting. I will put it right here, and the door will stop at about, I think, 6 centimeters. Okay, Next, yeah, the kids. Take off the two sides. This one. This one. And now first we shall good. So first connect it, not glue, not glue it yet, but put it like this to the door, and then come to the desired place and glue it to the floor. So this way the door will hit it to the correct angle. Hopefully you can see. Yeah, you see the contact is good. Because the door was a little bit high, I used this. This I will take out now. It looks like this. Press hard so it glues very well to the floor, and then the door will strike it very not it will strike it correctly. And that's the distance between the handle and the furniture.